Everyone, this is a quick video to talk about a couple of features that are being delivered in the upcoming release. The two features being discussed in this video are RVS 1951 and RVS 1198. The context behind both of these issues is that today, when anyone sets up an inbound event listener in Rev-Trac, there is no clear intimation or indication provided to them if this inbound event listener has not been configured correctly. The result problem is that when something goes wrong or when the correct events are not triggered correctly, the administrator or the user who has configured the inbound event listener gets absolutely no intimation. This loses a lot of time on behalf of both our end customers and our support in diagnosing issues. The focus in this resolution was to provide our users an email notification if there is any kind of failure while processing an inbound event listener. To provide a little more context on how this is achieved, I'm currently logged in to Rev-Trac as a user. I'm going to move into the integration tab, and within this, specifically under inbound event listeners. Today, if I go to configure a new inbound event listener, the upcoming form will present three additional options: enable error notifications, notify request owner, and notify users. When creating an event listener, if you would like an intimation if something has gone wrong, then ensure to check the enable error notifications checkbox. If this event listener is required to update an existing Rev-Trac request and you'd like an intimation to be sent to the request owner, then click the checkbox titled Notify Request Owner. Additionally, if you'd like this message to be CC'd to a group of users so that they can take action and diagnose the issue quickly, you can add a list of users in this select box, and an email notification will be generated to each of these users. A quick note, to ensure that we do not spam the users, only a single email notification will be generated for a failure. So if the inbound event listener fails, all of these recipients will receive one email. If the inbound event listener fails for consecutive events, no further emails will be generated. Give you a quick context of what such an email will look like. It would look similar, something like this. And as you would notice, you will receive some context of the event listener that has failed and context of the user of the request that it attempted to work with. This has been a short video for features RVS 1951 and 1198. Thank you very much.